Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you like to exchange your face with a celebrity just for fun? With AI, it's simple and doesn't require complicated editing. In this video, I will show you the best AI tool for face swapping. Let's go. Of all the great AI tools I've tried, this AI generator is my absolute favorite because it always produces the best results. It's mainly for turning text into images and offers a lot of unique models, but it also makes it really easy to swap faces and images with its simple face swap feature. If you want to give it a try, click on my link below to sign up, access the AI tool, and get up to 1,000 free credits when you register. To begin, go to the Tools tab at the top of the screen and click on Face Swap. You will then need to upload 2 images in the appropriate fields. The face image is the reference picture that will be used to overlay the target file, while the initial image is the target picture where the face will be placed. Keep in mind that each image must be 1 megabyte or less. If your file is too large, the tool has a built-in image resizing feature. Once you've uploaded the images, click the Swap button to start the face swap process. Remember that using the face swap feature will use up a certain amount of your credits. After that, just wait for the AI to complete the process. The resulting image will appear below and will automatically be saved to your album so you can view or download it whenever you need it. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.